Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add chapter titles to your YouTube videos, and this new feature can potentially keep people watching your videos longer, which is something that YouTube will really love. So let's get started. Hi, it's Steve from It Makes Sense, where we give you the tools, the tips, and the strategies so you can start a YouTube affiliate marketing business, because it just makes sense to have time and financial freedom. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. This new feature from YouTube rolled out in April of this year, which is 2020, but more and more content creators are starting to use this cool new feature in their videos. And what this feature allows you to do is you can cut your video up into different chapters, and your audience can go to those different chapters by clicking on the timestamp in the description of your video. So for instance, in this video here about affiliate marketing, I have 7 tips on affiliate marketing. And each tip can be its own chapter. So what is affiliate marketing, the mindset, choose your niche. So right here you can see in the scrub bar the different chapters, as well as in the description of the video. So if I were to click on pick one platform, it will take me to that spot in the video. And even though this is a new feature, let me show you how I think this is really going to help our audience retention. So for instance, let's take this video here on affiliate marketing. Now, anyone that's starting to watch this, the first thing that I talk about is what is affiliate marketing. But if someone already knows what it is and I didn't have this, they might just click off this video because they're not sure what's coming up next, because I'm not showing them other tips. But instead, if they know that, I don't know what he's talking about mindset, then I can click on this and then potentially watch more of the video. So if I can keep someone watching this video for a long time, I have a greater potential of ranking this video, because YouTube loves watch time. But not only will this help with audience retention, but it will help with engagement as well, because YouTube likes when people interact with your videos. So whether it's leaving a like, which if you are getting value from this video, please hit that like button and comment down below and let me know if you use chapter titles in your videos. But also if someone goes and scrubs your video, so for instance like this, rewinds, fast forwards, or leaves a comment, or just clicking on this chapter title within your description. So let me show you how easy it is to add these chapter markers to your YouTube videos. So let's pretend that I hadn't done this already in this video. All you need to do is edit one of your videos. So if I go to my YouTube studio, go to videos, and that video is right here. If we edit this and you go into your description, the very first thing you need to do is you have to have this timestamp, which is 0:00 and the title. And then anything you add after that will be your next chapter title. So for instance, at 48 seconds, what is affiliate marketing? At 2 minutes and 28 seconds, the mindset you need to have for affiliate marketing, and so on and so forth. So that's how easy it is to add these video markers, these chapter markers to your videos. And then once you're done, all you need to do is hit save. And then once you watch the video, it's automatic. These chapter titles will be there. So adding video chapter markers to your YouTube videos is just another thing you can do to help grow your channel. And if you want to learn more about how you can get more views, more subscribers, and ultimately grow your channel, go watch this playlist right here, and these are some YouTube tips and tricks. Or if you don't want to watch that video, go watch this video down here, and that is a video that YouTube recommends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.